today I have a couple of things going on. I did have a little fail, but we'll speak about that at the end. I'm going to make, right here, I have some kale. And with the kale, you want to make sure it's in small pieces because you know it's very, very tough, and make sure the stem's off. We're going to make a kale and mango salad. It has lots and lots of different ingredients, and it's going to be with an avocado oil and cashew dressing, fully vegan. So I'm going to start adding my bits in there. I have some red onion. Okay. I have some corn. I have some red peppers. Orange peppers. And I chopped the whole pepper. It asks for half a pepper, but it's also good to have like leftovers. You can make an omelette the next day if you fancy an omelette. This is mango. Mango is very in season right now, and it's very reasonable. So I have fresh mango cut up.
Is that, Sam, is that the mango, the red sort of standard mango with the green outside?
Yes. Yeah, you can use the yellow or green. I used both the green ones because they were softer this morning, but you also have this one. Oh, I do have another one. Here, I'll show you the difference. Okay, so you have this mango and you have this mango. I personally like this one. Yeah, I personally like this one to eat more, but I forgot what the name is. And then there's this mango. All right, so those are the two mangoes. Right, so we got to the mango. I also have some cucumber. And then, of course, we have some avocado. The avocado wasn't great today. I saved it with lemon. I bought two and they wasn't wonderful. I was a little bit upset with them, but never mind. Okay, so we have a couple of teaspoons of water. And then we have in here some fresh squeezed lime juice that I squeezed earlier. Let me just give you the amount. 1/4 cup of lime juice. There's 2 small cloves of garlic in there. We're going to use some cashew nuts.
And those are just raw cashews, right, Sam?
Raw cashews, yep. I'm going to put a little bit of salt and pepper in just to see. And this is avocado oil. Okay, it calls for avocado oil in this one. You're going to add the avocado oil. They said a head full of cilantro. My head of cilantro was quite big, so I'm probably not going to use all of it. I'm going to stick it in the blender. Hopefully that blender won't get stuck. And of course, a pinch of salt and pepper. You can always, you have to, absolutely delicious.
Oh, that was
and I'm going to put this in here. And I'm going to, I've just tasted that salad dressing. It's actually really, really good.
I bet you it smells amazing too.
Oh my goodness, yeah. Right, so you see how this is all coming together. It's sweet. And if you want to put a bit of salad dressing before you put all the other ingredients and just massage it with your hands, remember they said you have to massage kale like your boyfriends or your girlfriends. So we're just going to plate that.
Oh, that's so nice.
Oh, and it's so, you know, all the nice flavors in there between the mango and the corn and that's a good dinner tonight. And if you want to just put a couple of little extra pieces of mango at the top, you can. Just give it a little bit of color to start you off. Really nice. So that is your mango kale. All righty. All right, so let's go to the next. All right, so today I was trying to make you a dessert. It's with dates. It's like I saw it online the other day. It's actually really exciting. It's like you know, instead of eating a Snicker bar, they were saying, why don't you try this? And it was actually opening dates, stuffing them with a little bit of peanut butter and some nuts, and then covering them in chocolate. So let me just open one. But I had a boo-boo. I overcooked the chocolate. So now it's thick. That's not what to do when you do this. See how I just stuffed in the almond butter in there?
I love dates. This is such a good idea.
Yeah, and this, yeah. And,
They're so sweet.
you know, you can put a couple of little peanuts in there on the top. And then what you would do with this, you'll get a toothpick and you would dip it in chocolate. But I overcooked the chocolate. This is what you shouldn't do. It's still edible and it's still totally fine to eat, but it's hard to work
happens
with.
to all of us. That's the thing. You have to troubleshoot in the kitchen sometimes.
Exactly. And if I had more chocolate, I could have just like done it again, but I don't. So I just had a small pack of like dark chocolate. And we're allowed to have a little dark chocolate. It lets off endorphins that we need. You know, it sends a message to our brain. And you can have fun with fruit. Also, you can like dip strawberries in, which is like a lot of fun. You know, if you want to like dip a couple of strawberries in. I'm not going to dip because that's so thick and it's just going to come out mushy and horrible. But however, it did make some.
You got the examples still.
Yes, I still made some samples from yesterday. So I dark chocolate on strawberries. It's a lovely combo. And then I have the dates. Let me see if I can open one for you. Open a couple. The peanut butter in there.
Oh my gosh. That's
it's
gorgeous.
Really tasty. It's really good.
The other thing too, Sam, is with the dark chocolate, it's like a vegan Snickers too.
Yes, exactly.
That's perfect. Yeah.
Yep. Dark chocolate you can use, kids. And you know, like I said, it's like not bad for you. It's all in moderation with chocolate. And we all get our monthlies and things like that. And we all need a little boost up now and again. So, rather than just grabbing a Snicker bar, you could, get a few dates and you can just have fun. You can chocolate dip them and throw a few nuts on the top as well. All right, so that's that. The other thing is, I know it's international, and at Smart we've been doing international cooking, so I wanted to do like a little international for you. This week is Greek. I did a grilled chicken with, I marinated it in lemon, honey, oregano for about 20 minutes, and I just put it on a grill pan. Made a quick tzatziki sauce. The tzatziki sauce is grated cucumber, fresh dill, Greek yogurt, lemon, salt and pepper, and that is it. And then just chopped up tomatoes with some fresh mint leaves and some pita bread. And today I have made a mango, because mango's on sale this week. I made a mango and mint water of the week.